Artoonza.
All right, party lovers and frosting fanatics. Are you ready to draw the most epic birthday cake that might make you lick your screen? Please don't. It tastes like disappointment. We're talking 2 tiers of cake perfection. Candles that won't set off your smoke alarm, and enough hearts and stars to make even the grumpiest birthday hater smile. Here's where it gets wild. We're using paint droppers like scientists in the coolest art lab ever.
So
We'll splash on rainbow colors until this cake looks so good, it might demand its own birthday song. Give us your like. Let's make a birthday cake so spectacular that even professional bakers might get jealous. Get ready to create the sweetest masterpiece ever. Let's go. Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. First up, red. Drop it like it's hot. Literally dropping those paint drops like we're decorating the fanciest cake in town. Spread that cherry goodness everywhere. Give us a big thumbs up. Now green, because every cake needs a little mint chocolate chip energy. Drop, swirl, and bam, instant yumminess. This is so amazing. Time for light blue. It's like painting with the sky itself. Drop those baby blue beauties and watch the magic happen. This cake is getting fancier by the second. Purple power! Drop it, spread it, make it sparkle. This color is so royal, even the queen would be impressed.
So cute.
Okay, maybe not, but we can pretend. Orange. You glad we didn't stop at 4 colors? Drop those sunset vibes and let's keep this party rolling. Color, color, color. Yellow. Sunshine in a bottle, people. Drop those happy little paint drops and spread that glow. This cake is basically made of happiness now. Each color makes our birthday cake drawing even more delicious looking. Don't lick it, though. Trust me on this one. This is better. And finally, pink. Saving the sweetest for last. Drop it, brush it, and watch this cake transform into the ultimate party superstar. Chef's kiss. Mix it up, mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up. That's enough. My hands are starting to shake. Smash that like button now. Color, color, color. There it is, friends. The most epic birthday cake drawing ever created. Give yourself a pat on the back, you artistic genius. I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.